everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
Alright, how my champions doing? Winning plays right here. Grand opening. Alright. Ice cream shop. Lancaster, California. You know, gotta support powerful events like this. You know, they got a whole car show going on, so we gotta check that out. Hey, yes sir, yes sir.
Extra large or medium?
A large.
Extra large. I don't have large.
You don't have large?
No,
this will work. This is cool. So check this out. They have shirts. So you know, see that, and then they have all the businesses that are here on the back. So you know, that's how you have to do it. This is real smooth.
Are you on Instagram?
YouTube, Instagram, everywhere.
Make sure you follow Fresh Upgrade, you already know.
I got you. Just go ahead and do an introduction to your company.
My name is Danny, I'm from Fresh Upgrade. We do the stickers, vinyls, promoting, anything. If you're looking for us, we're on J4 and 10th Street West. Come through.
I got you in Lancaster, California.
Yes, sir.
So, you know what I'm saying? They understand marketing. They understand that. A shirt will live forever. Yes, so, you know, you have to understand marketing.
You want a free ice cream? Free ice cream right there.
Okay, I got you.
Michoacana.
I got you. So we're gonna slide with this strawberry. You know what I mean? What flavor is this?
It's actually a fresa con crema. This is like one of our best things that you could get here.
I got you. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and slide with that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and check that out. We're gonna be right back. All right. And also doing a car show along with the event. So, you know, that's very positive. You can have your community a part of what you're doing. That's a big thing. So let's check out everything they got going with the cars. Let's check them out. We got a trucking company right here. Right. What's going on with you guys? This is a trucking school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for sure. Let's see. You can let's see, check it out. So where you guys located?
We're located off of Division and Avenue H.
Okay, for sure. Would I be able to get a Instagram video with your company?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, for sure. If you could just like do an introduction of the company, kind of like what you guys do. Is that possible? Okay. Okay, go ahead.
How's it going? This is 10-4 Trucking Academy. We're here in the AV. My bad.
You're good.
Wait.
Let's continue to check this out. Nice truck right here. Check out this truck. As you can see, you know, if you want to get into a career, that's what it would, you know, that's what it would look like. They got their whole truck in the parking lot. All the information right here. So if you want to get into the trucking business, you hit them up, involved like that. All right. It's an international truck. Right? Alright. So we're gonna continue the car show right here. Alright. Check out all these cars, alright. You know. Along this event, they tied 2 events together. That's big for a community. Do stuff like that. BMW. Infinity. People take what they do very serious, you know, and that's a good thing. Right. It's a Honda Accord right here. Going on with you. All right. Gotta do some pictures. I have all the pictures up. Big grand opening right here. Alright. So we're gonna check them out. Want to interview them, get a store tour in the future, all that positive stuff, right? Want them to win with their business, right? Want them to continue to do positive things. All my champions to make winning plays every single day.
I'm living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You searching with healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all